So welcome back to the channel. Today we are in our showroom here in Ringwood, which is in Hampshire, and today I'm going to be doing a review of this awesome barbecue, the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. I'm going to be running through everything with you, all of the features. So if that is something that you're interested in, stick around and we'll jump straight into this video. Okay, we'll start with the outside. The first thing that you might notice are all of these lights, LED lights, so they're on blue at the minute. When you turn the barbecue on, you turn it, switch it on like that, it turns red. So you always know which burners are on because they will be red like that, you see, and then you turn them off like that. And again, just to show to turn it on, you push, turn, you can hear it click, and then that's it. And then you can adjust the flame temperature just by turning it like that, and then turn it off again there. You also have a Napoleon sign down there, which is quite cool. This also actually, by the way, has a sensor underneath here. So after a while, these will turn off, and then when you come up to it and get near the barbecue, they'll automatically turn back on again. So you have this button over here, and this button controls the colors for all of your knobs. Again, like this is on a dark blue color here. Again, you turn it around there and that shows you that the burner is on. You might notice that this one isn't lit up, and that's because this is a tray for your wood chips. So you can put flavored wood chips in there, oak, hickory, cherry, whatever you want to do. Put it in there and you can then smoke your food while you're cooking it. That's a really cool feature. And then back to this light. So you hold this down. It's at dark blue at the minute. It will then change to light blue. So if you prefer that color, you can have that. Hold it down again. It then turns to green. And on this setting, it will then start cycling through all of the different colors it has. So you can leave it like that. It looks pretty cool at night, just cycling through all the colors. So the construction of the barbecue, it's a 304 stainless steel construction. The hood is twin wall, so it's better installation, more sturdy. You've got a chrome handrail here, chrome sides here, aluminium sides over there. You've got ventilation along here, and you've got a thermometer here. On the thermometer, you can actually see it's got all the different temperatures around here, but it also shows you the right temperature. So if you're smoking, you want to be there at 150, or if you're searing, you want to get it slightly hotter up around here. So that's a really good feature, very accurate. So what we'll do now is we'll open it up and we'll have a look inside. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is when you open the hood, you've got these two halogen lights that turn on. They switch off when you close the hood. You turn it on and they come on. They can be switched on and off as well by pushing that. You turn it on and turn it off. You only press that once. If you hold it down, it obviously changes these lights here. So you've got a stainless steel warming drawer there, which you can use just for, once you've finished cooking your food, leave it up there, it'll keep it nice and warm. So we've got the stainless steel wave system, the grids, the cooking grids, and these are 9.5 millimeters thick. They're very heavy, very sturdy, and really good to cook on. And you've got 1, 2, 3 over there. They can be changed for planchas and plates and other things that you can cook on if you're going to try and cook some, I don't know, prawns or vegetables, something like that, something you don't want to fall through. Beneath these, we have these deflectors which cover the burners. We've got stainless steel burners in there, and you've got these which cover the burners. Any fat that comes down from your food hits these and it keeps them off the burners. One other thing I'll just show you here as well is, and this is an optional extra, this is an infrared burner, so you can take out one of the existing burners, you replace it with this, and this you would use for steaks. This gets really, really hot in a really short space of time. You use that for intense searing for steaks and things like that. So that is an optional extra if you want it. All right, put that back. So on the back of here, you have an infrared burner. So that is perfect for if you're using your rotisserie. So this comes with a rotisserie, free of charge. It's part of the package. The rotisserie clips in over there and it comes all the way across here. You take the warming drawer out, you can put your infrared rear burner on, and then that goes like that. And so if you were doing, you can use that for roasts, or if you're making kebabs or something like that. That's a fantastic feature, really, really good. So there are 7 burners in total. You've got 5 of the main burners, right, center, left, center, and left. You then have this one. This fires up your infrared burner, and then you have this one, and this one fires up your smoker tray, which I told you about earlier on. Put your wood chips in there, turn that one on, and that heats that, and that releases all the smoke into your food. The barbecue's really heavy duty, solid quality. You can feel that lid is really heavy, but at the same time very easy to lift up and down. So this really is an awesome quality barbecue. There are so many ways of cooking on it. You know, you can make pizzas on it, you can smoke things on it, you can slow cook, you can sear. It covers all of the bases, and it's just a really, really smart looking barbecue. So a huge bonus with this barbecue is the Napoleon lifetime warranty that it comes with, the President's warranty. That includes a lifetime warranty on all of the stainless steel base, the stainless steel hood, and the stainless steel grid system here. That's all guaranteed for life. You then get a 10-year warranty on the stainless steel tube burners that are underneath there. If you decide to use the porcelain enameled sear plates on there, they come with a 10-year guarantee. And another thing is, with those 10-year guarantees, if after 10 years something happens to them, it only costs half the price to replace them, 50% of the original cost to replace those items. And moving on, so any stainless steel sear plates that you have, and also the rear ceramic infrared burner, the ceramic wood chip burner as well, they come with a 5-year guarantee. And again, if anything happens to them after 5 years, it's only 50% of the cost to replace it. Everything else comes with a 2-year guarantee. So that's a fantastic guarantee that they've offered. They're so confident in the product that they've offered that. So that's a huge thing for this barbecue. So this barbecue sits in our showroom. We've got it set up as part of the Napoleon OASIS outdoor kitchen range. I have done another video on this, so if you want to have a look at that and some of the features on it, I'll leave a link to it on the top here. You can click on that and watch that review. But that's about it for this video. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, it helps us out. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We also have an Instagram and a Facebook account, so go over there and follow us on those. We try and post a couple of times a week just to let you know what we're up to currently. So thanks very much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.